Thank you all for listening. We proceed at the course of this lecture, and this is the three major objectives we are going to achieve at the end of the class. One, we should be able to know what is acid-base balance in self. What is acid-base balance in self? Two, we should be able to know the medical and biological importance of acid-base balance. What is the medical and the biological importance of acid-base balance? Then, number three, we should be able to know the three systems in the body that is involved in the maintenance of stable blood pH level. The three systems that is involved in the maintenance of stable blood pH level. And so we proceed. Now, acid-base balance or hydrogen ion homeostasis. Homeostasis means balancing. So we proceed. The word acid-base balance refers to what? Maintenance of stable level of pH. Is a maintenance of what? Stable level of pH of body fluid. You know, during metabolic processes, biochemical reactions, your glucolytic pathway, protein degradations, your lipid degradations, and biosynthesis of all the other metabolic processes, they generate acid or base in the body. Okay? And so all these acid and base are generated under normal condition. If the person is healthy, they are constantly neutralized by a specific system in the body. As the acid and base is generated, in order not to harm the body, they are constantly neutralized. Okay? But under pathological condition, under a disease state, excessive amount of this acid or a base will accumulate in the body fluid and in the tissue. And when it accumulates, it will lead to what? Disturbance in acid-base balance. So, and I want you to listen attentively. So, and this is our point for us to note, that in a normal healthy person, the blood pH range from what? 7.35 to 7.45. That is averagely to be what? 7.4, which is the normal physiological pH for a healthy individual. Okay? And so we proceed. So, two, objective, medical and biological importance. Now, proper pH is required for the optimal action of enzymes. You know, all your biochemical reactions, metabolic pathways, degradation and biosynthesis as all require enzymes in the body. For example, you eat your food, enzymes need to break down your carbohydrate, enzymes need to break down your protein and the rest, they all require enzymes. If the pH of the body is not maintained at the normal physiological pH that I just showed you of 7.4, enzyme will not be able to operate. And then without this proper pH, the transport of molecules within the body, you know, molecules need to move into the cell, and the one that is produced in the cell need to what? Come outside the cell, come out of the cell. The movement will not be possible. So, and even molecules formed in the cell need to be moved into another target organs in the surrounding organs. Okay? So they are all possible through pH, proper pH. And this proper pH is also required for maintenance of structure of nucleic acid. In nucleic acid we have DNA and RNA, and the DNA are the genetic materials in the body. Okay, so and they are made up of what? Structures. So when the pH is not normal, there can be mutation to the what? To the genetic material, and these are the reason why we have so many genetic disease, okay, in our time. So in order to avoid such genetic disease, now we need to maintain our proper pH. Also we need to maintain our proper pH because to avoid protein degradations, okay, breaking down of proteins, or to, we have so many structures. We have so many structures of protein. We have primary structures, secondary structures. In order not to alter the structures, we need to maintain the proper pH. Coenzymes, when we are talking about coenzymes itself, they are not enzymes. Enzymes, they are protein, but coenzymes, they are not protein. Coenzymes, they are not proteins, and they are not enzymes, but they help enzymes to work. Okay, they help enzymes to speed up the rate of chemical reactions. So without normal proper pH, coenzyme will not be able to assist enzymes to do normal functions. And various metabolite. Okay, when we are talking about metabolite, we are talking about what? Intermediate product of pathways, okay, or biochemical reactions. Okay, that's what we refer as what? Metabolite. Like now, when a protein is broken down, you have your amino acid, glucose broken down, you have our glucose, carbohydrate broken down, you have our glucose, and the rest of them, they are all metabolite. But in this metabolite, we have primary metabolite and secondary metabolite. There are some metabolite that assist the growth of microorganisms. They are primary metabolite. Okay, and there are other metabolite that they did not associate or have anything to do with the growth of organisms. Okay, we refer to them as what? Secondary metabolite. So they are not necessarily a byproduct of biochemical reactions, but they are intermediate product. Okay, that's what I mean by metabolite. And I want you to take note. I have used this opportunity to explain metabolite, coenzymes, and all of them for you. And so the number 2, which is what? The medical and the biological importance, is what? Acidosis and alkalosis are the 2 important disorders of acid-base balance. So when the acid base, they are not balanced, they result to what? Acidosis and what? Alkalosis. That's what we are talking about. Okay. So now we said we should be able to know the 3 systems that is involved in the maintenance of what? Stable blood pH level. Okay. One of these systems is what? Buffer systems of blood plasmas. Okay. Tissue, fluid, and like what? Erythrocyte. Erythrocyte means white blood, red blood cell. Erythrocyte, red blood cell. So, like now, that's what we mean now. The buffer system of what? The red blood cell. They are all important to maintain acid-base balance. 2, the lungs. When we're talking about lungs, now I mentioned respiratory system before. Okay, the lung is also important, and the final is the kidney that are important. And none of them work in isolation; they work together. Okay, so by the combined action of this system, constant hydrogen concentration is maintained in the body. Okay, so thank you for the opportunity for listening to me, and so we are proceeding